morning, you all. The storm is here, so we're just home today, enjoying the day in the house today. And I'm making a big breakfast. We are having bacon and eggs, grits, and toast and jelly. So I'm excited to get started. Come along with me. I'll take you along for some of it. Okay, I have the John Martin this morning, the bacon ends. I was looking for the other ones, the long ones I had gotten just yesterday. I'm not sure what happened to them. They're probably out there in the other freezer.
No. Just stay up here so Lindsay stays up here.
I think I'm gonna, I don't know. I probably will just make those tomorrow. But these are just as good. These are just as nice. They're just, I don't know. This one is hardwood smoked bacon ends, and the other one is hickory smoked, I think, and made by a different company. This one's John Martin. The other one is made by, I forget, but I can put the name up here, and that's my favorite. The other one is actually my favorite bacon. The one I like the best is a bit sweeter of bacon. So for this bacon, I always add some brown sugar. And I had to make my own brown sugar today because I forgot to buy brown sugar. I don't know what is wrong with me. Every time I'm at the store, I forget to buy brown sugar. So I have to keep making my own. I'm going to have to write it on my hand, like right here, so when I'm grabbing groceries, I can see. But as you can see, I have a little bracelet on this morning. I got myself a big gallon bag of jewelry, and I'm going through that, trying to put it on eBay. And I saw some pieces that were really cute, so the children are having fun with some of them today. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this one or not. Maybe, I don't know. I'm not much of a ring person or a necklace person, but I do love a bracelet, a nice bracelet. And I think it goes back to me being with my birth mom. I think she had me in bracelets, and I think that's kind of why I stopped. But of course, when I was Mennonite, I didn't wear bracelets, and I still don't wear bracelets very much. But if I find a cute one, I still like them. I hope you. Okay, so here's my sugar I usually make. It's white sugar with some molasses in. It actually isn't too bad. That's probably why I keep forgetting to get brown sugar, because I think this is pretty good. So it's not like serious to me. Okay, so we're bundling up to go outside. Lindsay's in her, I don't know, her bodysuit or whatever. So she's ready. Oh, I need to get her beanie. I forgot. Eli's helping the children get dressed.
No church today, I guess. Why is that so funny?
It's still snowing out there.
Okay, so we're going out to the snowstorm. This is probably their biggest snowstorm that we've ever seen together. I don't think it's ever snowed this deep since we got married. So, yeah, it's going to be a different experience for the children.
It's already deep. Oh my goodness.
You never saw snow this deep.
Are you okay, Kaylee? Kaylee, that is so deep. It's already turning to sleep. Babe, this is deep. Lindsay, what is going on? Are we gonna walk on the road? What in the world? We had to come inside to warm up a bit before we go up to the barn.
I'm gonna eat snow all day.
You'll eat snow all day?
Yes.
Oh, Lindsay loved it out there. We're putting on an extra layer of socks for Randall. Okay, so we came in this little shed here to get out of the wind for the children. Chickens are above us.
How much snow do you have? I bet we have like 6 inches already.
Yeah, probably.
I hate it.
Big flake starts. This is pale snow. We can't sleep on it.
Yeah, I know. I just finished taking pictures of my books now that I got on Marketplace. It feels so good to have today's done. Every day I do a little bit, except Sunday. I usually don't do anything Sundays. But these are all books I still need to go through, still need to take pictures of. I'm putting my books that I did take pictures of up here. And then I have more boxes in my mud room. Also, this is my jewelry collection. I laid out all my jewelry today. Oh, it was a mess. They were all in a gallon bag, so I took out the cheap stuff that I thought probably wouldn't be able to sell anyway. And put the stuff that I might be able to sell in here. So yeah, I'm having fun with it. It feels good to have that jewelry put away because that took a couple days to do. Untangle everything. But yeah, I'm glad it's done. Look at this. I don't have a lid for this thing, so I just put the peas. I just put the extra meat, this kettle on top of the peas. Anyway, it's bobbing around. We're having pizza rice casserole. This is one of our favorite casseroles. This side does have pepperoni, but I had started putting pepperoni down before I put my cheese on, so I just, yeah, put the cheese on and then pepperoni. Lindsay come for supper. She has a little red spot on her cheek. I think she got bit by something last night, but it don't seem to be bothering her. So I'm not too worried about it. And it's also getting paler. This morning it was pretty red. I decided to do something a little bit different for supper tonight. We're having some kind of Alfredo. It's not Alfredo, it's ranch chicken, lemon pepper ranch chicken. It's a packet I had gotten. I was gonna do the Alfredo chicken, but then I decided, you know what, I'm gonna do the lemon pepper instead. That way I can have like ranch potatoes. So, yeah, that's what we're having for supper tonight. I'm excited to try it. I think it'll go great with ranch potatoes. I have it in the oven already, but I need to get my potatoes done, but I would like to get these dishes washed quick before it happens. Anyway, I did have another sale, Facebook Marketplace sale today, so I was really happy about that. It's always nice when a sale comes through. But yeah, I have not been out on the road yet since the snowstorm went through. I'm thinking about maybe going out tomorrow. It's been several days now since the snowstorm. Eli, I need to ask him first before I decide to go out. How the roads are, because he goes out for work. And he actually did not take any days off. He was going to, but then, yeah, the only day he took off was on a Sunday, which was the day that the snowstorm actually did come through. And then he went on his app the next day, and there were so many orders. People like literally cleared off the store shelves the day before the snowstorm came, and then the day after the snowstorm came, people literally wanted groceries again. So he went out. And he did like one order, I think, but the roads were not the best, especially the back roads were not the best. But I guess that's why a lot of extra people were ordering, was because they were just staying home. So yeah, it was so much fun being snowed in though. Like literally, everything was dead around here. We lived right beside the busy road, and it just felt like we were back way in the country again over the snow day, because there was nobody going by. Well, not till evening really with their vehicles. Now there were like snowmobiles going, and horses and sleighs. I guess it was sleighs. I don't know. The Amish have something they had on the back of their horses, you know. And it looks so cute. Whole family with their horse and their sleigh, I guess. Thank you. Mm-hmm. Thank you, huh? Okay. How did you make your rag wet? Where did you get it? Where did you get it? Okay. But yeah, other than them, it was quiet around here.
Look at that dirt, Mom. Look at that dirt.
Just sitting in her swing. She was playing most of the afternoon. None of the children took very long naps today. Maybe like half an hour naps. And I did too. I'm not sure why they didn't sleep very long.
Bye.
But hopefully that means everyone will go to bed early tonight. We have been getting to bed so late these nights. I don't know when the last time is we all went to bed at 9 o'clock. Usually it's midnight or after. Especially Rhonda and Kaylee, they have trouble going to sleep before midnight. I'm not sure why. And a lot of times they don't even take a nap. So yeah, I don't know. Lindsay's usually sleeping by maybe 10, 11.
No? Why are you cutting up?
But then they all sleep till like 8 o'clock, 8:30. So it's all good in the end. But yeah, I was thinking about it, like, what's gonna happen when Randall goes to school? Because he can go to school in like a year and a half, maybe a year and a half. And so yeah, either we're gonna have to get on a different schedule, or he's gonna have to be homeschooled. Which I think we're kind of leaning more to homeschooling. Not me actually homeschooling. Do some kind of online course. But yeah, I guess we'll cross that bridge when we get there. But that's getting hot, don't touch. Anyway, I'm ready to make my vegetable now for, which is gonna be my sister's recipe of green beans. I have some French green beans here, and I have a slice of bacon. It's a little bit different than hers. She didn't say she added bacon, but yeah, I just had this thick slice of bacon that I'm gonna use. And what I'm gonna do is just chop it up into really small pieces because, yeah, Lindsay can't have it unless it's small pieces. So, and then what she does, she said she adds butter. I think it was butter. I'm pretty sure it's butter. And no water, which was surprising to me because I always thought you have to cook vegetables with water, you know. So I'm gonna try it. They were so good how she made them. What, honey? And then I'm just going to put them on a very low temperature. The chicken's not nearly done, so it has a long time just to simmer, make its own juice. That's what she says, it makes its own juice. And yeah, hopefully we'll like this. Those are green beans. Those are Aunt Leah's favorite vegetables. Yes. This bacon is my favorite bacon. I'm sorry. I'm so glad I got 2 cans of it. It was $3.61. It's $2.49 a pound, and this is a pound and a quarter. No, a pound and a half. Salt's Boost meat, hickory smoked bacon. I love this bacon so much. I also get the John Martin bacon ends. That's a different kind, a different company. But both kinds are really, really good. Not in there. Those are potatoes. We want them with the beans. Tomorrow I have a really exciting evening plan. I'm planning on going out to someone on Facebook Marketplace is putting things out for free because I guess they have, this says something about their other house, so I guess they have like 2 houses. Yeah. Anyway, they're trying to get rid of things. And a lot of the stuff is free. So I'm excited to go out there and see what they have. I don't think Eli's going to be able to come with me because he's working again. And he usually works in the evenings. So I guess I'll just take the children.
One for pie. One for me.
Okay. We'll put the bacon on the bottom so that it can... Okay, no more. We won't have any for our supper. I know, but no, just one. Just one. Just one. Just one. One. No, you can't eat butter. No, she loves butter, but she cannot just eat butter. You don't want too much. We can always add more, okay? All right. Okay, time to get down now. No more beans, I said. No, I gave you one. Down, put the chair away. I don't know, it's probably in the playroom. Okay, now I want to turn these on very low. Put the chair away, please. them on a low temperature, she said. Right above melt, I guess. Then just got a bunch of trash. Oh, Lindsay, no, baby. Yes, Lindsay, no.
Stop hearing my songs. Now, I'm singing songs.
Okay, our supper's finally finished. Everyone is so hungry. Anyway, I want to show you, especially these green beans, my little sister's recipe. They smell so good. I tried one, it tastes great. Here's my lemon ranch chicken. This is how I do. We always have cafeteria style. It's just easier that way with little kids. Especially when you sit in the living room. Randall's over there bringing his table. I think we're gonna have a lot of leftovers tonight, especially chicken and potatoes probably, which is really nice because I can make a little chicken and potato casserole some other day then. Here's our supper. It smells so good. And we ended up using some of the chicken broth for the potatoes. But yeah, I'm eager to try this. And then, oh, the children need to go to bed.